generation as well.
Minister in charge of Cooperation Department, Komingon Yambon, on Tuesday inaugurated the 70th All India Cooperative Week celebration at Moose Aim, Shangpung, West Jaintia Hills District on the theme Role of Cooperative Marketing, India, a $5 trillion economy and Sustainable Development Goals, organized by the Office of the Cooperation Department, Government of Meghalaya, Registrar in collaboration with Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited and Rural Finance, Meghalaya Livelihood and Access to Markets Project and Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. Addressing the gathering, Yambon highlighted the importance of strengthening the cooperative movement, collective growth and encouraged members to dedicate themselves in implementing government projects in a proper way.
Kepala Irab ingin hibun kibentah.
Mana kali last month, nakaliang Chief Minister Berdon Borom Jongi, Konrad K Sangma, dang launch ke scheme gumang ikut ke CM Elevate. Hagani ke scheme kadon ke website kerpa di pi berpin coba bani page ngasnya kejing kuat kejing angnur kejing pi nagata ban pengkiu ya ke kam tourism ban pengkiu ban long view entrepreneur.
The 50